Hi, this is David Saddlemeyer from Century 21 Liberty. I'm going to show you this impressive renovation located at 2439 Silverbell Loop in Fayetteville, North Carolina, close to Fort Bragg. For more information, visit my website, www.davidhomesforsale.com/4, or you can subscribe to the YouTube channel you're currently watching. You can change your video options to 1080p to see all these features in high definition today. Fresh paint inside and out, one-car garage, beautiful brick veneer and fresh landscaping. Here's the front porch. And we'll step inside into the living room with an attractive laminate floor, gas fireplace, and a vaulted ceiling. Most of the flooring is brand new. There's fans and blinds throughout. And this kitchen really stands out. Starting with this really attractive tile floor, new stainless steel appliances, granite counters, tile mosaic backsplash, track lighting. Wow. Here's a closer look at the granite and tile mosaic backsplash. There's the door to the garage. The security system is installed. Here's the view from the kitchen. And here's the dining room with a bay window. And off the living room here is a deck. And there's the backyard. It's wooded for some privacy, no neighbors to the rear. And there's 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths. Here's the first bedroom. And the second bedroom. And you're going to love the bathrooms. In particular, the vanities in both bathrooms. And this is the master bedroom. With a view of the backyard. And there's a walk-in closet. Followed by the master bath, which is sure to please with this tile floor and tile above the tub with a mosaic band. That's a wonderful touch there. And look at this vessel bowl vanity. Wow. And it also comes with tile mosaic backsplash going all the way to the ceiling. I really like this. You've got to come see this in person to really appreciate this. You can give me a call, 910-723-8888 for your own private tour of this or any home for sale in town. And check back soon for more videos on my channel. I hope you enjoyed the tour.